In the heart of a bustling city, nestled between skyscrapers and coffee shops, a series of mysterious events unfold. Glittering sparks dance through alleyways, catching the eyes of hurried pedestrians. It's not long before whispers of enchantment ripple through the streets. A young human, Emmett, curious and unburdened by disbelief, follows these sparks to their origin. He stumbles into an ethereal forest hidden beyond the city's brink, a place where the witch Elara resides. Dressed in elegant robes that shimmer under the moonlight, and adorned with enchanted jewelry that hums with ancient power, Elara stands amidst glowing runes carved into ancient stone circles. Emmett's arrival disrupts the delicate balance, usually maintained by the boundary between the human world and the realm of witches. At first there is tension. The witches, led by Elara, are wary of humans who have long misunderstood their ways, resorting to fear and legends that paint them in dark hues. Emmett, representing modernity and skepticism, finds the witches' domain both mind-boggling and slightly intimidating. As they confront each other, an ominous force begins to grow around them, a creeping shadow that threatens both their worlds. Eerie winds roar and dark clouds gather as if nature itself is warning of impending doom. Realizing the nature of this shared threat, Emmett and Elara reluctantly set aside their differences and form an unlikely alliance. Together, they embark on a quest to dismantle the encroaching darkness. With Emmett's modern problem-solving skills and Elara's vast magical knowledge, they harmonize their strengths, navigating through enchanted forests, deciphering ancient texts in ethereal libraries, and casting potent spells. As the climax approaches, the atmosphere is charged with magic, the air crackles with energy, runes glow fiercely, and their combined efforts manifest in waves of colored light that scatter the dark force back into the abyss. Dynamic transitions capture each moment with a riveting pace, ensuring no heartbeat is lost. In the aftermath, witches and humans gather around a campfire set against a backdrop of twilight. Their laughter and shared stories are a testament to newfound unity. Magically infused special effects illustrate this harmony as sparkling embers rise into the night sky, weaving a tapestry of interconnection. Through vivid storytelling and moody cinematic visuals, The Witch and the Human, a tale of unity, becomes a spellbinding narrative of tension, collaboration, and mutual growth, crafted to captivate audiences across both YouTube and TikTok platforms.